Okay, Himanshu. Thank you very much. It is recording now. The process which I'm going to show you now is an element of the production of such an ad. What is in front of your eye right now is an advertisement in Immobilien Scout. And you're seeing here the word functional. Okay? In order to identify whether this is a functional flat or not, we have a specific process. That process is called Grundriss evaluation. And that evaluation process I'm going to show you right now, okay? Now, in order to evaluate such a Grundriss, the inputs which you have to have is a Grundriss of the flat you need to evaluate, of the actual flat. Now, the actual flat the Grundriss of the actual flat can be found exactly. The Grundriss of the actual flat can be found here. It's here in front of you. Okay?
Yeah.
So the starting point of this process is the section 6 within the flat profile, where you have the actual Grundriss. That's the starting point. That we need to decide now whether this Grundriss classifies as functional or not. That's the purpose of this process. Okay? If we say yes, we will put in this advertisement the word functional. It'll come here, and we will put here in the text description again the word functional. You're seeing here again, you're seeing the word functional.
Yes.
Okay, and here you're seeing the description of functional. What I have highlighted in blue here, this one.
Yes.
That's the description. So our evaluation, if that flat is classified as functional, will produce in the text of Immobilien Scout this entry, and it will produce in the title of Immobilien Scout. I'll show you the title. In the title it'll produce this one here. Okay, so that is the goal, the purpose. The goal is to identify whether this Grundriss classifies as functional or not. And the purpose why we are doing this is in order to populate the advertisement in Immobilien Scout in the title and in the text with the elements of functional. Okay?
Okay.
So what you need to do is, what I have just spoken, you need to enter that here in this exactly. You need to put it here. Oh, wait a second. It is here. In the video is disturbing me a bit. Here in the top portion.
And goal purpose.
Exactly. In step 1. In step 1, first you transcribe that. You create a transcript here of what I speak right now, which is a bit long. Okay, it should have the length of this text portion here. Of the safe way home, exactly. And if you have this text here on top, from this text you will start populating in the bottom line here the goal, the purpose, the starting point and the ending point, the background info, the context info, all that. You'll start that, okay? So that's why we are doing this. Now, we said the starting point is here within the flat profile, within the section 6 ref basi, the actual Grundriss. That is the actual Grundriss. This Grundriss will be compared here within the the page reference functional model with the samples and with the definition. Okay, so you're having here a definition which has 3 points, and you're having here 1 sample, 2 samples, 3 samples. Okay, so the definition here is we define a Grundriss as functional if the rooms are approximately equally sized. Okay?
Yes.
So in those samples, you're seeing here this room is approximately equally sized, the top one, and the bottom room is approximately equally sized. Now in the second sample, you're seeing the room Zimmer 1, Zimmer 2, Zimmer 3, they are approximately equally sized. Okay? In the sample 3, you're seeing the same thing. Zimmer 1, Zimmer 2, Zimmer 3, Zimmer 4, equally sized. Now, I need to find this criteria now in my actual Grundriss. In my actual Grundriss, I'm seeing here, it's a bit small, but I'm seeing this room equally sized. I'm seeing this room equally sized. I'm seeing this room equally sized. And I'm seeing this room equally sized. I'm seeing 4 equally sized rooms.
Yeah.
You got it?
Yes.
You're seeing it may be a bit small, but I can even increase it. I can increase it if you want. Now I'm increasing it. But you have it on your you have it on your local system. I don't even have to increase it that much, isn't it?
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, that's right.
Okay, I increase it. I increased it. It's not a problem. Now you're seeing here, Zimmer 6 equally sized. This Zimmer is equally sized. This one, it has 4 equally sized rooms. You're seeing that.
Yes, yes.
Okay. So the first criteria is met.
Yes.
Now let's go back to the second criteria. The second criteria is approximately they're equally sized, approximately in the same dimensions, which means is they are not round. Okay, it's not that one room. It's not that one room is round and the other one is squared or the other one is rectangular. The space is approximately equally distributed among the rooms. So you're seeing that crit is almost met again here. And then you're seeing that these rooms are individually accessible by a floor. Now this one has a door here, it is accessible. This one has a door, it is accessible. Okay. And the same applies here. Okay. So if you decide that this Grundriss is functional, okay, if you have making this, if those 3 criteria are met, you're entering here in this portion the word functional, okay, and you're adding the reasoning why it is functional. Now that is the end of this process. From here, another sub-process will start. Is how does this functional land in how does that convert into this functional? Okay, how is that landing? That's another process which I'm going to show next time. But let's start first in modeling that. So I have defined it. Now let's go back in order to be sure that I have given enough information. Let's run again through the